with another video. So today's video I'm going to do an unboxing video. I'm going to unbox this thing that I bought from BeauTyra. This actually came 5 days ago. I have school, so I waited. I tried so hard not to open this. I'm going to open it today. I bought the BeauTyra hair and body mist, hair to toe mist. Let's find out what it looks like and what it smells like. So I'm going to do like an unboxing and also the first ever review, first review, because I don't know what it smells like. Dang. Actually, I wanted to do this unboxing video with my friends, but today is outing and they are going out. I was supposed to go out too, but I decided to stay at school and do what I need to do, which is just doing videos. Nak thumbnail. Okay. It looks like this. It actually feels so weird recording at school because I know when I post this, my friends are gonna like, "Eh, kat bilik." Memang kat bilik pun. Yeah, okay. Tudung, tudung. BeauTyra says there. And then the back says this. You can wake up like this. Okay, oh my god, it is so cute. Being yourself is the prettiest thing you can be. Being yourself is the prettiest thing you can be. Wow. Okay, let's open it. Oh my god. Oh my god. So we got Picture of Me, very sweet and also happily ever after. The names are so cute. So let's look at the Picture of Me. Tyra said that this is her favorite. Okay, there's actually writings at the back tau. I'm gonna read it.
We've got 99 problems, but the peach ain't one. The sweet yummy peach smell has just the right vibe for your chill and carefree days. Inject a little fun into your day, and you will definitely smell so fresh, so clean, leaving everyone wanting a piece of you.
Ooh. Oh wow. Wait. I really love this. So, Picture of Me. It's really good. Now I know why this is Tyra's personal favorite, because it's really good. Next is the very sweet. Oh, this one's strong. Okay, I forgot to read the writings at the back, so I'm gonna read it now.
Who needs Cupid when you can make people fall in love at first miss? We've got you all covered to smell like a dream. Who can resist the actually flirtatious scent of sweet berries? Am I right? It's totally addictive and you will love it very much.
Because it smells flirty and also, dude, this one is really good. Okay, this is not my favorite because it's too strong for me. Okay, next is this happily ever after. So it says here,
an apple a day keeps the doctor away. In this case, spritz this mist to stay fresh and energetic every day. We know you'll be down for just about anything. It's the perfect companion for your daily adventure and guarantees you a happy ending always.
Okay. Right. Ooh, this smells refreshing. This one smells refreshing and like every scent literally smells the exact same thing that they described at the back. I think all of these three are good. I prefer this one. So yes, this is gonna be my favorite. I'm gonna take this one. That is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, this is my first video of 2019. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like it. Comment down below which one is your favorite please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel because I am going to post more videos in 2019. Enjoy your holiday, and also 2019, may 2019 be better year than the years before. Yeah, that is all for me. See you guys in the next video. Bye!